Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's start with our maths coaching class. So, if you remember, we did smart tables in the last class, and today we are going to continue with the same smart tables. This is smart tables part 3. And before we start, let me tell you, dear children, we are live on YouTube. If you have any questions, any concerns regarding like whatever topic we are doing, please let me know in the live chat option. I am there for you to solve your doubts. And if if you could please answer in the chat box, like whatever question I'll ask, you can answer there in the chat box. That'll be really great. So let's get started with this. I want all of you to please share this video and the channel link with your friends or your relatives who are appearing for this Navodaya, so that they can also get benefit from these classes, these free classes. So with that, let's get started. I hope you are able to see the screen. Children, also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please like the video and show your presence in the live chat. Good evening. Good evening. I can see your messages in the chat. Good evening, everyone. I welcome you. Please share it with your friends so that they can also take full benefit of these free coaching classes. All right. So let's get started, dear children. I hope my screen is clearly visible to all of you. Okay. So we will draw the graphs from the smart tables given to us. Okay, so here you need to answer the questions from the graph. The graph shows the number of students using different modes of transportation. Which transport is used by maximum number of students? Maximum is most. Which transportation is used by maximum number of students? So here we can see the graph, and bus, 20 students are using bus, 30 using auto rickshaw, then 20 again using train. Self-transport, that means the ones that they are coming by their own mode of transportation, that is 10. So the maximum, the most is 30 auto rickshaw. So for this, we have the answer as auto rickshaw. Yep. Let's go to the next one. What is the total number of students? How many students are there in all? Very good, very good. Getting the answers in the chat box. Hi, good evening, good evening. Okay, so I got one answer. Let's check whether it is right or not. 20 here, 30 here, and then we have 20 again. And this is 10. So 20 plus 30 is 50, plus 20, 70, plus 10 is 80. We got 80. Total number of students is 80. Total students are 80. Total means all. All right, let's move on. Which transport is used by least number of students? Means the least used transportation system by less students. Transport which is used by less number of students. Can be clearly seen. Yeah, that is self-transport. Least number of students are using self-transportation. What is the total number of students who either use bus or train? So in that case, you need to take bus or train. 20 for bus, 20 are using bus and 20 are coming by train, which makes a total of 40. So 40 is the answer. Come on, everyone. Yeah, that's right. Good job. The ones who are responding in the chat box, very nice. Okay, let's go on to the next question. How many scored grade A? So this is another question. Here is the data of grades scored by students in a class. So some of the students scored grade A, some scored B, some C, then D and E. So this is the data of the grades scored by different students, like different number of students. How many scored grade A? Come on, quickly in the chat box. Yes, that's right. That is grade A, like grade A is scored by 15 students. 15 students scored grade A. Money, is that you? Yeah, you have given the right answer. Which grade is scored by maximum number of students? Maximum number of students have scored grade. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Maximum number of students have scored grade. Yeah, that's right. C. Grade C. Good job. Next, which grade is scored by least number of students? Less. Come on, come on. Least. So, grade E, correct. E is scored by least number of students. How many students scored grade C or above? So in such cases where you have to tell about a particular grade or beyond that, so just take that grade C and all the number of students of grade CBA. Like, wait. So here C and above is obviously B and A. So take all. 25 for C, 20, B, and 15. Let's add all of them. So 25 plus 20 plus 15. So I can see that 60 students scored grade C and above. You're doing great. Let's go to the next one. How many students scored grade D or below? Grade D or below that. So here we have students of grade D, students who have scored grade D, 10. And below that is obviously grade E, that is 5. So adding D and E, D is scored by 10 and E by 5, which makes up to 15. So 15. Let's go to the next one. Here is the data of number of visitors to a zoo on days of the week. Which day the number of visitors is the highest? You just need to see the data. So which day the number of visitors is the highest? So highest, I can see the graph is highest on Sunday. So we can say on Sunday, the number of visitors is the highest. Which day the number of visitors is the lowest, least, the least one? So the least The day with least number of visitors is Monday and Wednesday together. So Monday and Wednesday. On both these days, the visitors are least because on both the days the visitors are 100. So that's why. What is the total number of visitors in that week? Come on, find the total. Total. So on Monday, we have 100, Tuesday, 200, Wednesday, 100 again, Thursday, 200, Friday, 300, Saturday, 600, and Sunday, 700. Let's add them up. 100 plus 200 plus 100 on Wednesday, 200 on Thursday, then on Friday, 300, Saturday, 600, Sunday, 700. Let's add 0, 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 6 is 22. That means 2,200 visitors. Did you also get the same answer? It's 2,200. If yes, then it is right. Perfect. I can see. Yes. Okay. Next one. What is the highest number of visitors on a day other than that of Sunday? We know that on Sunday it's the highest. Other than Sunday, you have to tell. Other than Sunday. Come on. Okay. So here we have Saturday. If we don't take Sunday, it's Saturday. Highest number of visitors on a day other than that of Sunday is Saturday. Because here we have 700 and here we have 600. What's the total number of visitors from Monday to Friday? Monday to Friday. So to find out from Monday to Friday, you just need to add all of these from Monday to Friday. Monday 100, Tuesday 200, Wednesday 100 again, Thursday 200, Friday 300. So 100 plus 200, 300, plus 100, 400, plus 200, 600, plus 300 is 900. I hope you got the same. Yeah, perfect. When I see the chat box, I get the same answers. Next one. What is the total number of visitors on weekends? So weekends are the days are Saturday and Sunday. So on Saturday there are 600 and Sunday 700. So 600 plus 700, which is equal to 1300, 1300. On which day, so here is the data of number of trains that pass through a railway station in a week. On which day do highest number of trains pass through the station? Highest number of trains pass through the station. Highest. Highest number of trains. On which day do highest number of trains pass through the station? So Monday 25, Tuesday 15, Wednesday 10, Thursday 5, Friday 20, Saturday 25, and Sunday 30, which is the highest. So the highest bar is on Sunday, that is 30. So here we can say the day is Sunday. On which day do lowest number of trains pass through the station? Lowest. The least. Yeah. These bar graphs make, finding out the data very easy. So here it's Thursday. On Thursday, lowest number of trains pass through the train station. What is the total number of trains that pass through the station in a week on all the days? Total number of trains that pass through the station in a week. 25 here. Here we have 15, 10, 5, then 20, 25, and this is 30. So let's add them. 25, 15, 10, 5, 20, 25, 30. So 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 130. 130 is the answer. Let's do the next question. On which day do more number of passengers are likely to come to the railway station? On which day do more number of passengers are likely to come to the railway station? Isn't it very obvious? Like more passengers will come when there are more trains on a particular day. So here, Sunday will be the answer. Because number of trains that pass through the railway station on Sunday is maximum. So obviously, the number of passengers that will be there on the railway station will be on Sunday, more number of passengers. So Sunday. So question is in a different way, though the data is of the trains, but here they have asked you for passengers, but they are closely, like very much related to each other. That's why. On which day would it be easy to do any maintenance work in the station? On which day would it be easy to do any kind of maintenance work on the station? So it is very obvious. When there are less people, then the maintenance would be very easy. So on that day, you can do the maintenance when there are less number of people, which is Thursday. On Thursday, the people are very less on the station, so you can do the maintenance work. What is the total number of trains that pass through station from Monday to Thursday all together? Monday to Thursday. 25, 15, Wednesdays 10, Thursdays 5. 25, plus 15 is 40, plus 10 is 50, plus 5 is 55. What is the total number of trains that pass through station from Friday to Sunday altogether? 20, 25, and 30. Come on. So here it is 30 plus 25 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50 plus 25 is 75. On Monday, 6 trains are late and scheduled to arrive the next day. What will be the total number of trains on the next day if other trains follow their regular schedule? So the train, like 6 trains which were supposed to come on Monday, they are late. Okay, so they will arrive on the next day, which is Tuesday. So the question is, how many trains, what will be the total number of trains on the next day if other trains follow their regular schedule? Just 6 days from Monday will shift to Tuesday. Amazing question. So I'll take away 6 from this and we'll add here. So here it was 15. I'll do 15 plus 6 trains from Monday. 15 from Tuesday and 6 trains from Monday. So 15 plus 6, 21. That means 21 trains will come on Tuesday. How many students are above 100 centimeter tall? So this is the data of students and their heights, that is in centimeters. This is a histogram. So here you need to tell how many students are above 100 centimeters tall. Okay. So this is their heights. And this is the number of students. Yeah. So above 100 means from here. 20 students are from 100 to 110. Then 15 students are from 110 to 120. From 120 to 130, there are 10. And 130 to 140, there are 15. So how many students are above 100 centimeter tall? So what we will do here is we will add these 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15. 20 plus 15 is 35 plus 10, 45 plus 15 is 60. That means 60 students are above 100 centimeters tall. Next one, how many students' height is below 120 centimeters, like below this? So we will add all these. This is 15, this is 20, then 15 again, and this is 5. So here 5 plus 15 is 20, plus 20 is 40, plus 15 is 55. Both have, so here it's 60, this is 55. How many students' height is between 100 centimeters and 120 centimeters? So this is 100, this is 120. The ones who are responding in the chat box, very nice, good job, keep it up. I can see your answers, they are correct. So over here, 100 to 120. So from 100 to 110, it's 20. And 110 to 120, it's 15. So 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 is the answer. How many students' height is between 90 centimeter and 100 centimeter? We can see that clearly. Very easy. 90 to 100 is just 15. 15 is the answer. Welcome, my dear, in the message. Okay, so next one. How many students' height is above 140 centimeters? Above 140 centimeters. Can you see any of the students having the height above 140 centimeters? Above 140 centimeters. I cannot see any. That means it's 0. How many students scored above 40 marks? Okay, so here is the data of students and their marks. So this will be the last question, dear children. Like I'm talking about the graph. So this is the last data. I'll ask you several questions related to this data. Okay, so the question is, how many students scored above 40 marks? 1. Okay, so how many scored above 40? So the ones who are between 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. So between 40 to 60, there are 30, 60 to 80 is 10, 80 to 100 is 20. So 30 plus 10, which is 40, plus 20 is 60. The number of students who scored above 40 marks. Next question. How many students scored above 80 marks? Above 80. Oh, I have one more data to show you. So above 80 is just 80 to 100, which is 20. 20 is the answer. How many students scored below 60 marks? Good, good, very good. I want you to join in all the classes and respond like this only. The ones who have joined the live session, I want you to join like this for every class. Below 60 is the ones between 0 to 20. So if nothing is written here, it means 0. This is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60. So below 60 means that only, right? 0 to 20 is 10, 20 to 40 is 15, and 40 to 60 is 30. So 10 plus 15 plus 30. 55. Occurring frequently. How many students scored below 20 marks? So below 20 is this, 0 to 20. How many are there who scored below 20? So below 20 are 10. 10 students scored below 20. How many students have taken the test? Means in all. 10, 15, 30, 10 again, and 20. All together. What's the answer? Navodaya coaching classes are every day from Monday to Saturday. You can join every day. Oh, yes. I-85, I think. Yes, it is right. So 10 plus 15, 25 plus 30, 55 plus 10, 65 plus 20, 85. Yes, now I think it is the right answer. Very good. Now this is another data of students and their marks. So how many students scored above 40 marks? So this above 40. That means 30, 15, and this is 10. All right, that's perfect. Above 40 means 30 plus 15 plus 10. 30 plus 15 is 45 plus 10 is 55, 55 again. Nice. Next is how many students have taken the test. So if it says taken the test, that means you have to take all into consideration. 5 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15 and plus 10. Waiting for your response. Okay, so here it is. 20 plus 5, 25, plus 30 is 55, then 70 plus 10 is 80. How many students scored below 80? All these are for below 80. So what I can do is from the total, which is 80, I can subtract 80 to 101. So from the total, I will subtract 10, that will be 70. Or you can add like this also. Your wish. Both ways are correct. Okay. From the total, subtract 10 or add these. How many students scored above 60 marks? Above 60, that means the one ranging from 60 to 100. Here we have 15 and here we have 10. So 15 plus 10, 25. Above 60 is 25. Okay. So children, one more. How many customers visited the bank on that day? Here is the data of customers visited the bank on a particular day. So this is between 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. So how many customers visited the bank on that day? So from 10 to 11, it's 10, then 15, then it's 5, 25, and then it's 20. Count all of them. So 10 plus 15 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 25, 55, then 75. How many customers visited after 1 p.m.? After 1 p.m. So 25 plus 20, which is 45. How many customers visited before 2 p.m.? So you need to add all these. 10 plus 15 plus 5 and 25. So 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 25 is 50 plus 5, 55. My God, 55 again. In which hour the bank was crowded with customers the most? Most is the maximum. And I can see that from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And if I say least, in which hour the bank was crowded with customers the least? So that is 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. So, yes, children, with this, we are done with our today's class. I hope you understood whatever we have done. Thank you so much for joining the class. It was a great class with you all. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. I'll see you soon in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Bye bye. Have a good day.